Okay, next I'm going to show you how to draft a sailor collar, which looks like this in the front and like that in the back. There are variations, obviously. In other words, if we make this area wider here, it will affect the shoulder area and coming down to the front. The front can come to a single point at center front, like this, or you could have an embellishment in the front, like a bow, for example. The drafting process is similar to the Peter Pan collar we just finished, where we take the front and the back slopers and we put it together at the shoulder seam, right? And then we start drafting it. So let's do it. Okay, so here's my back sloper, center back. Place center back on your dotted paper. And like I said, we're gonna take our front bodice and connect the two shoulder seams together, and I'm gonna trace my center back, my neckline, both the back and the front neckline, come down center front, so you have that. Okay, so I decided to make my center back length 8 inches, so I'm gonna measure 8 inches and put a little cross mark. And I'm gonna square a line, square meaning we're creating a 90-degree angle, like so. And the width of it, it's 8 inches, but we're working on half of it, so it's 4 inches. So I'm gonna measure 4 inches is right here. Put a little cross mark. Next, I decided to have my center front lower to 6 inches. Next, I'm going to use my hip curve to connect my center front cross mark to my back. And so from center front cross mark, come across to the back cross mark. And now we're going to create one final line from your neckline to my center front cross mark. So I'm going to take my ruler and line it up from my center front cross mark to my neckline right there and draw one straight line. Okay, this will disappear, that'll be gone. That will become my sailor collar. Center back will be cut on the fold so that it looks like this. There you have it. And just like we did in the Peter Pan collar and the Mandarin collar, we would cut this twice. One for the top collar, one for the under collar, so you have 2 layers together to create the sailor collar. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.